Now we'll start cleaning a data. First we'll select a first data set here. Selected a first data set, and these are the rows we have. Okay, I would like to go to a particular row. I would like to go to a particular row. So many rows are there. Okay, so that I would like to go to a particular row. How can we go to particular row? We have to select here, choose column, choose column. In that, go to a column, so that we can go to a particular column you can select. Okay, it will select a particular column in your data set. If you like to remove that particular column, for example, if you like to remove that particular column, how to do that one? Remove option here is that remove columns. In a home tab, remove columns is that. In remove columns, you can remove that particular column, selected column, or remove other columns. In the sense, if you select a remove other columns, the moment you select a remove other columns, the selected column will be retained, all other column will be deleted. Okay, to go back, close this one here in applied field, close this one. Again, I will go to one particular column. Okay, then if I say remove columns, that particular column only removed, all other column will be retained. Okay, this is about how to manage a columns. We'll take it off, we'll close down, so I need that column. Okay, when it comes to the row wise, for example, here rows are there. Okay, some empty rows are there, null is nothing but nothing is there in that particular row. If I like to remove such rows, what I can do, go to remove rows, and I can say remove top rows. For example, top 10 rows you would like to remove, then you can say remove top rows 10. What will happen? Top 10 rows will be deleted. I will take it off. You can see top 10 rows are retained again. Similarly, remove bottom 10 rows or 20 rows you would like to delete, you can use that one. And remove alternate rows. Remove alternate rows is nothing but here lens is there, this row will be deleted, opera will be there. Remove alternate rows, you can say first row to be removed or number of the rows to be removed. Okay, first rows to be removed 1, and number of the rows to be removed 10, like this if I give. Okay, number of the rows to be keep on rows to keep, I said 10. Okay, now you can see the 10 rows are deleted from the top, and alternate it started deleting. Okay, like this you can delete the rows. Close that one. Again, for example, remove the duplicate entries if there is any duplicate entries. Okay, if you like to remove such duplicate entries, then select this one, remove duplicate, so that all the duplicate entries in terms of the this particular selected column. Okay, in selected column, if anything is a duplicate, okay, that has been deleted. Okay, only unique value will be retained. You have to clear the duplicate entries by using a distributor id, or which factor you are considering for a duplicate, you have to select that one. Okay, then for example, if you like to remove all empty rows, then remove rows and say remove blank rows. You can observe here these blank rows will be deleted. See, all blank rows has been deleted. Okay, this is what I wanted. And you can say here remove errors. If any errors are there in a data, then you can use a remove errors, because this particular data doesn't have any errors. Okay, you can, if you have any errors, it has been deleted. Similarly, we can keep rows. Keep rows is a reverse of your remove rows. In a sense, it will be remove all the top, keep all top 10 rows. For example, keep top 10 rows. First 10 rows will be retained, all other will be removed. Okay, similarly we can do it for the bottom rows. Okay, range of rows from where to where you would like to remove. Keep duplicates, in the sense all duplicate entries will be retained, and unique entries will be deleted. Only errors will be retained, all other things will be deleted. If you select this one, everything is deleted because there is no error. Okay, like this, based on your requirement, you can select the any of the option, like remove the rows and remove the columns based on your requirement. Okay, removing a column and remove the rows based on your requirement. Okay, this is the one section of the cleaning.